Hey, what's going on, everybody? Gareth off. Hey YouTube, Gareth here with FCP Euro, and we're going to do another really quick product review. So today on the really quick product review, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. This isn't a kit, rather these are individual products that you can order on our website, fcpeuro.com, to help service your DSG transmission. So for the most part, it's actually fairly easy to service your DSG transmission. I know there's a lot of talk about transmission needs to be a certain temperature, but you can do that with a typical scan tool. You can read the oil temperature, that's not really a problem. But some of the specialty tools that you might want to have in your toolbox to help you with this, we have a 24mm 6-point socket. Basically, this is going to help you remove that filter cap for the DSG filter. You don't want to use like pliers or self-adjusting wrenches or anything like that, because you risk stripping that off and breaking it, and that's just going to be a really bad time. This is the socket you need. In addition, we have the fill adapter, which is going to allow you to either gravity fill or pressure fill from underneath the transmission the factory way, versus filling it through the top through the DSG filter housing, which literally takes forever. And over here you have two options for basically power filling the transmission. Right here, this is just a really big syringe offered by CTA. It's gonna hold well over a liter of fluid, and it's gonna allow you to basically use this adapter to push fluid up inside the transmission. If you wanna go for the big deluxe model, you really wanna go with the power filler. Basically, you pressurize the cylinder, you have your fluid in here, you have this really nice quick disconnect fitting, and you have the option to either open or close, allowing you to fill the transmission without worrying about overfilling it or overflowing. All the transmission fluid is going to flow back into this, but you can also use this tool on just about any other transmission, and CTA has a bunch of different adapters for a bunch of other transmissions. So if you work on a lot of cars, you'll definitely want this. So basically, these are a couple of the most popular tools that we have to help in filling your O2E DSG transmission. At minimum, you'll definitely want this adapter so you can do your fill from underneath the factory way. Obviously, these other tools in conjunction with this adapter are going to make it significantly easier, whether you want to go with the power filler or your syringe type filler or even pump filler for that matter. All these tools are going to make the experience that much easier. You're not going to have to spend an hour and a half, 2 hours of your time just simply filling the transmission. You can do it in literally a fraction of the time. Of course, if you have any questions, leave in the comment box below, and we'll see you for the next one.
Let's go.
All right.